which is the most common site of heterotrophic salivary gland disease. So, finding these answer, we should know about the detail of heterotrophic salivary gland disease. Heterotrophic salivary gland or salivary choriostoma or ectopic salivary gland disease are the same thing. Heterotrophic salivary gland disease is the presence of salivary gland tissue arising outside the normal distribution of the minor and major salivary glands, excluding accessory salivary gland tissue and salivary gland material associated with branchial cleft anomalies. The most common site is the neck. Upper neck is more common than the lower neck. The next common site is middle ear, larynx, chest wall, sternoclavicular joint, and brain are the other site of the ectopic salivary gland location. The exact mechanism of salivary gland heteropia is uncertain, with the possible explanation being the entrapment of salivary tissue during embryogenesis or heteroplastic changes of epithelial tissue during development. Generally, these are asymptomatic incidental findings, although they can manifest as mass or draining sinus, or sometimes there is malignancy or neoplastic changes in prolonged period of mass. Radiological imaging with or without histopathology examination of lesion tissue are the usual diagnostic procedure, with complete surgical excision being the treatment of choice. Neoplastic transformation of ectopic salivary gland tissue is possible but rare. So generally they are asymptomatic, doesn't require any further treatment. If symptomatic, we can evaluate by imaging or complete excision followed by biopsy. So this is all about heterotrophic salivary gland disease, or you can say salivary choriostoma.